Hi, boys and girls. So, this is the read aloud that goes along with our lesson today. Habitat, Handbook of Habitats by Rochelle Urban. So, this is a nonfiction text because it has real photos of an actual habitat and habitats from all over the world. And it also has a table of contents. And the table of contents tells us what we are going to read about in this book. So today I'm only reading about making new plants because we are learning about seeds and how seeds make new plants. So this is the title of this page, Kinds of Plants. Look around where you live. What kinds of plants do you observe? So here's that word observe again. Observe means to look closely at something, right? Are there trees growing tall? Are there grasses on the ground? Are there weeds sprouting from the sidewalk? So there's that word sprouting again. This is a weed sprouting from the concrete. Has someone planted a vegetable garden? We know this from our edible schoolyard. We've seen plenty of plants grow in our edible schoolyard, right, boys and girls? So I want you to keep that in mind when you need to answer a question. All of these things are plants. They all have green leaves and catch sunlight. They all have roots to take in water. So maybe this information on this page can help you with one of the slides that we have on the lesson. Here's the next title of the next page, Making New Plants. Plants start as seeds. A seed is something that can sprout and grow into a plant. Seeds may look very different. Still, every seed is made by a plant. Some seeds are big. A coconut is a very big seed. Some seeds are inside sweet fruits, like these apple seeds. Some seeds are inside hard shells. A walnut is a seed with a very hard shell. Some seeds are small. These seeds inside this kiwi are tiny. And I'll zoom in so you can see. These are the seeds inside of the kiwi. Some seeds have fluffy parts, like these dandelion seeds. So these are the seeds on a plant. How do plants make seeds? To make seeds, plants first make flowers. The flowers have pollen in them. Wind and animals, like bees, move the pollen from flower to flower. Then the flower make fruits. Fruits have seeds inside. So these pictures show a flower and a fruit that formed from it. The fruit has seeds inside. So I'm going to zoom in so that you can take a closer look at this beautiful flower, and this is the inside the seeds. The flower then kind of like hugs the fruit, and the fruit begins to grow bigger and bigger. And then once it's picked, if you cut it open, there are seeds. A plant makes many seeds. That's because not every seed will become a plant. Only a seed that gets enough water and sunlight will sprout and grow into a new plant. Without enough water and sunlight, a seed can't sprout and grow. So I want you to keep that in mind when you need to answer some of the questions on the slides. This seed got what it needed. Over time, the seed sprouted and grew into a new plant. So let's take a closer look at this. Sorry. This is a seed, and as you see, it's starting to sprout, and it's growing its roots, and then it's growing up, and now the shell is opening, and you can see that it's sprouted, and now it's growing some more. So this is the stages of a seed life. So today, boys and girls, you're going to take what you've read with me from this book to help you answer the questions on the slides. I hope this helped you, boys and girls. See you soon.